Yes, so welcome friends to this introduction video of our upcoming batch 8 of our module 1 RCC in our industry ready civil course by Know How Schools, right? We have got a new feature for you friends, that is we have got now our own Know How app for you all to watch the videos from our sessions, right? Let me quickly take you through the batch details which I believe you all are looking forward to. So this upcoming batch starts from 1st July up till 14 July. So there'll be basically 14 sessions in it. Not actually 14, we'll be having 15 sessions, one extra pre-recorded session for you. Of this total 14 days, what we have done is many times students tell us that, sir, during the particular time of our batch, say suppose if it's 4 to 6 or if it's 7 to 9, many times students face the issues like we do not have internet connectivity issues, we could not understand some parts of the session, or sir, we want to again replay those parts of the session, as also some might be having some work commitments on that particular time of the session. And so to take care of these things, basically it's not possible to replay the parts in the live video, right? And more so ever, whatsoever we want to teach, right, that stays the same. What changes is the doubts, right? Your individual doubts matters a lot, our interaction matters a lot, and apart from the civil that we teach, the life skills that we want to teach you here, right, the one-on-one connect that we want, that is very important. Taking into consideration all of these points that we earlier mentioned and these things, we have decided to put on all our lectures on our own Know How app, right? So this particular batch of 1st July to 14 July will have 11 pre-recorded lectures, right? 11 pre-recorded lectures that you can view anytime, anywhere on our own Know How app, right? As also in between the 14th lectures, right, that is on the day 1, day 5, day 9, and on the last day will be going live in the 4 live doubt sessions, 7:30 to 9:30. By chance, if you happen to miss any of this live doubt sessions, you can watch this as well along with the pre-recorded videos on your own Know How app, right? If you just click this link, basically it will on your app store or play store, it will take you to this app. You can install this app, as also the course description that is mentioned, you can go through it, understand it, register for the course. Once you register, your number would be registered in this app, after which you can watch all the contents that will be there. For example, let me give you a quick example. For example, if this is the course that you have, industry ready, suppose module 1 batch 7, right, there'll be such videos uploaded in it, right? You can play these videos right away in the app itself. Obviously the videos, due to security reasons, cannot be played outside the app. You can play these videos. Then in the app, in the player, you have got various options like rewind, take care of the volume, as also adjust the quality as per the clarity you want, as also adjust the speed of the video that you want. Wow, isn't that amazing? As also suppose if the video here is of 1 hour 11 minutes, right, then we'll be automatically giving you permission of more than the video duration. That is, if the video is of 1 hour 11 minutes, the duration you will be getting is extra 15 minutes. That is, this will be automatically be raised up to somewhere close to 1 hour 25 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes, right? So after the session is done, after you finish watching the lecture, you can replay parts of the section, whichever you find that you need to revisit. Also, this video is being pre-recorded and uploaded on the app in your particular course. You can choose your own time of convenience to watch these videos in your entire day, right? Say suppose if today is my day of site logistics, the video will be getting uploaded early in the morning itself. So throughout the day, you can choose your time and you can complete these videos. The videos would be usually of minimum 2 hours, right? Each video. So that's the basic whole purpose of this exercise. Also, to take a easy decision, right? Now this is 8th batch. So what have the previous students to say about the course? You can click on this link and it will straight away take you to about 100 plus more reviews, right? 100 plus more reviews posted directly by the students. So you can just click this link, come down, click on see all reviews. You will find all of your friends who have done the course before. You can just check their reviews and then you may take a call, right? By chance you find any of your friend, you may as well take personal reviews from them as well, right? So I do believe their word speaks a lot. Further, if you go in this PDF of which link is attached, you might have already received it. The contents are mentioned. So you'll find the date, the day, the topic which we are going to cover, as also the type. So if you see, the first session, fifth session are live, whereas these are pre-recorded on your app. As mentioned earlier, you can choose your time of convenience to view them. After every pre-recorded session are done, you'll be having as well daily self-study tasks, quizzes, and assignments that will help you again reinforce that what have I understood? Have I really understood? Do I need to do some more self-study on these topics? As also, you'll be having prizes on this, which I'll discuss. This is your week 2 schedule. Watch it properly, carefully. In any of our module, we always have a good mix of some execution sessions, some management sessions, some software. Like here, we'll be teaching you basics of Google Sheets and Excel, a very useful tool for our youngsters, I believe. As also, we have some life skills over here. As you all know that it is so much important, but no one hardly but then hardly anyone talks about it, right? So even that we have included in our course, as also the MEP session, right? So this all things are there. Go through it very properly. The course outcomes are mentioned in here. Above all, what I can say is a 360-degree skills coverage, as also immense self-confidence boost up, right? It's not that after the course is done, you can go on site and you can straight away just start working, right? That we are not claiming, but one thing is for sure, after the course is done, you go on site, you won't be blank for sure. आपको कोई freshers नहीं बुलाएगा. This is our guarantee, right? You will be very much industry ready. You will be able to work from day one. You will be able to ask the right questions, right? And your site visits would be really fruitful after this course, right? The registration options are given. You can obviously check them as well. Then this is the registration process. You can check that. You have to basically check all the course details, transfer the fees, fill the form. If any doubts, the number of our team members is mentioned in here. Now comes the important part. How can I win 100% cashback? As I said here in the schedule, every day along with your session, after we publish the session in the morning, and you can view it anytime, will be as well circulating in the same app some self-study tasks, quizzes, and assignments. And every day we'll be having winners for the quizzes and assignments with a 100 rupees cashback. So 12 of such quizzes, 12 of such assignments can give you a guaranteed cashback of about 2000 to 2400 if you win all of them or a good number of them. To add, this already covers your fees, but to add, there are two more prizes of 25% of your fee, which are kept for the best students of that particular batch. And here, if you see, we have got this many, about more than, I believe, 100 plus 150 plus winners that we already have till date of various cashbacks, right? So this is something not about only money, but to motivate you in the right spirit. Next, whom are these pre-recorded videos made by, right? As also, who will be taking our live sessions. So these experts with about 25 years, with about 15 years of experience will be taking your live doubt sessions. Also the materials, the recorded videos are very much made under their guidance. They have themselves taught in number of videos as well. We have actual structural consultants, project managers out there to teach for you, which usually is not the case even in live on-site internship, right? So good combination of this online internship. After the things are good, you can visit on site as well. You can correlate the two, and trust me, the experience would be really very fruitful. You may as well find the demo videos from our earlier batches that we conduct. How do we conduct? Will you be able to understand? So if you can see, we have actual site drawings, we have actual site images, which very much teleport you onto the site, right? And you won't feel like one of our reviews says that the only difference in this course and an on-site course is that of a sun, right? Probably someday we'll bridge that too. But yes, as of now, you can watch the demo videos. Next, here we have the Google reviews that we have posted, some of them reviews here. You can as well very well click here to go on our official Google reviews page. You can watch all of them. There are some testimonials uploaded here as well. About the pre-recorded lectures, as I've mentioned already, because students want comfort of watching the lectures anytime throughout the day, play and pause between the between to take the notes. There's also network issues. We have developed this app, and the recorded videos will be uploaded there with one-time access to watch them, with some additional time access as well, right? With some additional time access as well, because you may wish to watch some parts again and again, right? Training of many courses, friends, like CAs throughout the country is already happening in similar fashion, and it's very much successful model, because here the quality of the content is ensured through centralized videos, right? And the most important part is the live doubt sessions. Here our interaction will be enormous. Along with the civil things, we'll be discussing a lot about your future, kya kaise karna hai, what are the career options you have, what is the right mindset you need to have, that too with experience of some people with about as much as 25 years of experience, right? Again, for your doubt solving, we have our mentor support team on WhatsApp on call 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. You can WhatsApp them, you can call them, and our backend team will be clearing your doubts, right? As also, if there are any doubts which has not been covered, you may take them in the live doubt session as well. How does the app work? I've shown you a live demo of it. Getting too hectic with college and course, at times it may, but trust me, with the situations prevailing around, with so much so competition, with everyone talking about unemployment, these efforts are simply worth it, right? One thing that I'll advise you all is, do read the Google reviews of about 100 plus of your friends. You will come to know probably they have summarized the course much better than what we could have done. Then this are some more from our understanding. Why should you be joining the course? What's the difference between a regular student and a know-how student? Basically, know-how student means any student who takes experience, maybe with know-how or even without know-how. But this is what an experienced student would be able to achieve. Will the certificate be valued in interviews? That's a question that we get. Trust me, these days industry is not after the certificates, it's not after the degrees. You give them any number of certificates and degrees, they will be asking you very thorough and very straightforward questions. So won't we be getting the certificates? Yes, you would be getting the certificates, but the certificates won't do the job for you. It is your knowledge that will go along with the certificates that will add its true value, right? So the certificate, recognized certificates you will be getting. But if you're planning to do this course just for a piece of certificate, I believe this is not the place. This is the place where we want to ensure that you're successful beyond that piece of paper. These are your some personal batch in charges as well, your personal mentors, as I said, in the backend support team. About know-how, we are a 1.5-year-old startup. Till date, we have done 5 on-site batches, 7 online batches, 700 plus students. We have been able to train till now. As also, we work in civil, as also in architecture. This is our core team: Aniket, Praneeth, Vishwajit. We have got various international MOUs, various national level MOUs, state level MOUs, tie-ups, associations. The main thing that we focus on is a vast industry network, right? This means this means immense to us, because when we say that, we are looking to bridge the industry academia gap, right? Having good collaboration with industry matters the most, and trust me, it is this collaboration that you can rely on. Whatever we are going to teach, it is all backed by very sound practical knowledge, practical drawings, practical images, practical documents, and only practical experience, right? There won't be any theory that is not practicable that will be shared here. This is about us, this is about the course. So here would like to wish you all the best. And trust me, in the recent days when we are talking a lot about boycott China products, we as engineers have the most important responsibility here, that we as engineers, if we can provide our countrymen some credible options over here, some credible services, some credible products, trust me, there was a survey that I just read here that 87% of the Indians are ready to boycott the China products. I say 100% are ready to boycott it, provided they find a credible choice over here. Because this hashtag campaigns can just go for a day, a week, a year. Eventually, if the citizens have any particular demand, no matter where they get it from, they will eventually look for the features that they are getting and the price it is coming at. Say a number of machineries, innovations happening in our civil field, number of chemicals coming in, number of technologies evolving. We youth, we young engineers have to take this country ahead, and for that we need to be industry ready, we need to be job creators, we need to be entrepreneurs. This is the thing that we'll be teaching you under this course, apart from basics of civil execution as well. That is the main intention of know how, to make sure that you all think big, you all think business. Take care.